I turn off the radio? Calendar I have, that's March, July 16th. Because since there's no more you, there's no more anniversary. I'm so fed up with my thoughts of you and your memory. Now every song reminds me of what used to be. So sick of love songs, so tired of tears, so done with wishing you were still here. Said I'm so sick of love songs, so sad and slow. Why can't I turn off the radio? Why can't I turn off the radio? Me alone, leave me alone, yeah. Stupid love song. Hey, don't make me think about her smile or having my first child. I'm letting go, turning on the radio.